Alright, what's going on, everybody? It's currently June 28th. This is the video of the trading going on this morning for the morning of June 28th, and I just gotta say it was not a good one, and I ended up losing close to $2,500 and closing out my account, closing out my evaluation account. So yeah, it was definitely not a good day for me, but I figured I would post it anyway, just so you can see what it was like. The market today was I honestly did not understand anything at all. If I'm just gonna put that out there. Tried putting some trend lines this morning. It looked like it was going into a trading range again, like it always does in the morning, apparently. Traded down towards the bottom, and then tested it a little bit. It went down more. It kept going down for a little bit, and then started shooting back up. So I thought, oh, hey, you know what? Maybe it's a downtrend. Maybe it's gonna hit my trend line. It's gonna go back down. So let's see what happens. That didn't really happen. I could have taken that, but I didn't see any bars I liked. It did end up going off my trend line, trading back down, but then a huge move up right there, almost 6 to 7 points, almost 8 right there, and then just I think from there it kind of was like, oh, all right, maybe this isn't the trend. Did go back down. I thought it turned into a smaller trading range, so I was like, okay, maybe there's gonna be something here that I can take. But it just kind of traded sideways and then got pretty congested in this channel. Yeah, and then it started going up. It just shot up randomly. Like to me, there wasn't really any warning, and it just kind of shot up and then shot back down. I really did not know what was going on today. Yeah, one thing that happens to me, at least, I get super impatient. It's something that I gotta work on. Because it ended up costing me. When you wait for too long and you get impatient, you start trying to force things and see things you want to see. But that's something for me I got to work on. I want to say to everybody is just to be patient, and patience is a virtue. So yeah, as I kept going, the market kept just doing some weird ass shit. Like, it is just going up, going down. Yeah, it kind of stayed in like this weird range, if you can say. I don't know if you can really call it a trading range. I was trying to figure out where it was going, but it wasn't really giving me any signals. Today was like one of the hardest to understand for me, at least. Yeah, it started going down, and I thought, I was like, okay, cool. That's the bottom right there. It hit the bottom of the trading, that little small trading range. Maybe it's gonna hit the top, And I think from there, it just shot way up, pretty much to the top, and I was just confused. I was like, what is going on? I tried taking that. I could have. If I was quicker, could have scalped out 2 ticks, but it didn't end up going, and it just shot straight up. Really didn't give any warning to me, at least that I know right now. If you know why if anybody who watches this knows why it shoots up like that, please let me know. I'm always willing to learn. I'm not a professional. I'm just literally trading 6 months, kind of doing it on my own, trying it out. Yeah, it just shot up out of nowhere, and kind of, it seemed like it was trying to test the top. As you can see, it did go back down to the top of that old trading range, but it wasn't really holding. Well, it doesn't look like it was going to hold. See, it started going back up. Going up, down. It was really just all over the place. I really didn't know what was going on. See, it starts shooting back up. I was trying to look for any signs, any different signs to see, like, yo, what's going on. But nothing. I wasn't getting anything. Any signals. I thought maybe I could enter there, but then I just kind of got scared off because I was like, looks like it's still in a strong uptrend. The bulls are still winning. So I was like, you know what? Maybe it's a trend line. Maybe it's trying to go in an uptrend. You know. That only held up for a little bit until it didn't. Yeah, I went up to the top, tried breaking the top. Didn't break the top quite yet, and then just kind of hanging around there for a little bit. Then it finally broke the top a little bit, continued breaking in it. Yeah, just kind of doing its thing. I really didn't know. And I was like, maybe it's gonna come down, hit the trend line. So we'll see. Just started staying stagnant, still going up. As you can see, I was very confused as to what was going on. Yeah. So then I was like, you know what? Maybe I'll enter right here, right? So seen a bar right there, and I was like, you know what? Maybe this is it. Maybe this is it. Nah. Got scared off. Didn't like what I saw. Cause it was right off. It did go off my trend line, and it did end up going up. I could have scalped out 2 ticks, but not my runner, nothing like that. I wouldn't have scalped any of those out. But I would have scalped out 2 ticks, and as you can see, it started going up more to the top. So one bad habit is I just need to just send it on some of these, because some of these are just, I'm too scared, and I ended up being right a lot. That's like, that happens to me like 90% of the time. And then I just get impatient. So right here, it's like, oh, maybe right here it's gonna go back up. Nope, it's not doing that. So then, yeah, as you can see, I'm just like, all right, there has to be something, it has to be doing something. As you see, I'm getting very impatient. I'm holding the trade, right, holding the buy mark right there. And then I was like, all right, this has to be it. It's going up. It has to go up. I was like, it has to go up. And then nope. As you can see, it didn't. I got absolutely trashed on because, you know, I just tried to force something that wasn't there. I didn't even see anything I really liked, and I cost for it. And then after that, I was just like, all right, well, I have nothing to lose. Might as well try to make a long trade somewhere. And that's when I should have stopped right there, because I lost even more money, and was trying to redeem myself. But me trying to redeem myself, I lost even more money, which just taught me a valuable lesson into be patient. Be patient and stop yourself. You take a loss, honestly, just get off, or just reevaluate what you're doing, because in the end you're going to just regret it. So, moral of the story, be patient. Don't be like me. Take this as a learning experience, as I did. If you enjoyed, please leave a like, subscribe. I'm just going to be posting more raw content like this, and I hope you just keep following me on my journey. And see you guys in the next one.